Why RNA World does not work for abiogenesis. 5. Scientist quote, RNA World, a highly improbable scenario of the origin and early evolution of life on Earth. Dr. Bregestovski in Journal of Evolutionary Biochemistry and Physiology. In previous videos, we showed that naturalistic abiogenesis is logically, mathematically, and empirically impossible. In this video, we continue our discussion of the leading hypothesis for abiogenesis, RNA World, and why it does not work for naturalistic origin of life. We provide quotes from scientists who, as far as we know, do believe in evolution and in abiogenesis. However, they highlight facts that are consistent with our view that RNA World does not work. The following quotes are from the paper, RNA World, a highly improbable scenario of the origin and early evolution of life on Earth. Dr. Bregestovski, Aix-Marseille University, Journal of Evolutionary Biochemistry and Physiology, Volume 51, Issue 1, pages 72 to 84, 2015. Scientist quote, the analysis shows that the RNA World hypothesis suffers from a number of insurmountable problems of chemical and informational nature and is highly improbable. Quote, abstract, the most accepted and widespread contemporary scenario of prebiotic evolution that led to the emergence of the first cells on our planet is the RNA World, a hypothetical period of the early Earth's biosphere when information transfer and all of the processes necessary for the functioning of prebiotic living systems were provided by RNA molecules. My comment, as mentioned above, RNA World is the most widely accepted theory for abiogenesis and the best of the various poor options. However, as we have seen, RNA World does not work. The reality is that none of the theories for abiogenesis work. Quote, the RNA World hypothesis is based on two postulates. 1. At the initial stages of life, RNA molecules performed all the functions necessary for the reproduction of biological molecules, informational, catalytic, and structural. 2. At a certain stage of evolution, there occurred a functional separation of RNA and DNA, emergence of genetically encoded proteins, and transition to the modern world of living systems. My comment, this, above, is a good summary of what RNA World postulates. Quote, however, the analysis shows that the RNA World hypothesis suffers from a number of insurmountable problems of chemical and informational nature. The biggest of them are A. Unreliability of the synthesis of starting components. B. Catastrophically increasing instability of the polynucleotide molecules as they elongate. C. Exceedingly low probability of meaningful sequences. D. Lack of the mechanism that would generate membrane-bound vesicles able to divide regularly and permeable to the nitrogenous bases and other RNA components. E. Absence of driving forces for the transition from the RNA world to the much more complex DNA-RNA world. My comment, Dr. Bregestovski provides a partial list of the reasons why RNA world is not realistic for creation of first life. The paper goes into much more detail about why these issues are critical. Quote, therefore, the RNA world scenario is highly improbable. My comment, Dr. Bregestovski concludes that RNA World is highly improbable. However, when we look at the details of the items above, we can reasonably say that RNA World is impossible as a mechanism for creation of first life. And RNA World is the best of the various naturalistic models available for the origin of life. So all of the other models are worse than RNA World. None of them work. So naturalistic abiogenesis is impossible. Conclusion 1. RNA World does not have the ability to create life by naturalistic means. 2. RNA World does not work for naturalistic abiogenesis. 3. RNA World is the best of the models that is available. 4. That means that none of the origin of life models work for naturalistic abiogenesis. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.